Hi everyone. Need this one? Everyone. This is Aloy from WeDo, China. Yeah. This is our new product. This is our new product, TB01. Mm, it's it's video soundbar for the design for the small room. It's 4K camera, speakerphone, microphone arrays. It's a USB connections. It must connect the computer or PC, and other any host it can be work. Then if you want more, if you want to be used in the more big place, you can use this one. This is a controller Android with Android systems. Yeah, it's okay. Our website is www. WEDOINNOV.com. Thank you.